good morning. This is teacher Jacob. Welcome to this class. This class is a listening class. So this is to understand that the listening class is very important for you, especially this grade. Today, the class is going to be for ninth grade, and the class for today is listening class. Okay, so remember, you belongs to our Janice School Countryside, the best way of learning English. Okay, and this video is for ninth grade. Teacher Jacob, if you have any problem with your classes, just go to channel YouTube and Jacob Kins and listen and watch anytime you want to learn. Remember, the idea here is to listen. So one of the suggestions that I have for you is that you can listen one video three times. So you listen one video, one of my videos, so you're gonna listen in like 45 minutes every day. In fact, it's a lot of time for you. Remember, it's like an obligation that the students listen a lot. So one of the best options for getting better your pronunciation is listening. Okay, if you listen English, you are going to pronounce correctly. Okay, you're going to say correctly, and you are going to speak good. I mean, people will be understand you because you listen. So listening, in my opinion, is one of the best skill for learning another language. It doesn't matter if it is English or it's another language. So what you need to do is to listen English all the time. In your case, your ninth grade, I believe you have to listen around 8 hours, 10 hours per week. So every day you need to listen 2 hours, okay? And that's why listening is very important because it is one of the best options. All right, so let's go to this listening class. In this listening class, what you need to do is to understand, understand some listening exercise. So let's go. We're going to study page 79, and we're gonna do this listening skill. Because last class, I hope so, you did this exercise. I mean, you complete the exercise 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I hope so. Well, this 4 is in case that you want to. Uh, of course, vocabulary class, we're gonna have some special class for this skill because vocabulary it is very important also, especially for reading, for learning also. So there are many suggestions for you to learn another language. One is listening. Second is vocabulary. Vocabulary, how many words are you going to learn every day? In fact, it's necessary to learn. So here, what you need to do is making the connection. Which one correspond to one of these definitions or synonyms? That's what you need to do. All right, and you notice this. You have to look at the dictionary and do this. Writing, we are not gonna do this writing exercise, but keep in mind that it is very important. All right, so let's go to the listening skill. So listening, it means it is here. What you need to do is listen to an extra from a radio show and answer the question. So you need to listen and pay attention and answer the questions. This is like a listening comprehension. So you need to First, let me read for you. What is the question? So, what type of show is it? So, what type? What type is similar to say what kind of? It is similar. Okay, type or kind, it's similar. So, what kind of show is it? So, you're gonna write what? Who has come to say goodbye to the young astronaut? So, who? Someone. So, you need to write the name. Exercise to listen again and mark tick. I mean, this is mark this tick and the things the astronaut has to do. So the astronaut have to do what? Send pictures, take vitamins each morning, never go on a space walk, take her guitar to play, and in the evening give her mom a kiss, bring a present back. All right. So that's what you need to do according to this. Okay. So let's go to this listening class. Remember, listening, it's concentrate. So let me, before this, I just want to you listen to music before we start listen. So concentrate. One, two, three. All right. So let's have this class. Let's listening class. So pay attention and answer exercise one, two, and three. Of course, three it is different, but you can do it. Working pairs is called the personal item you would take with you if you went to the moon, and what would you like to bring back? That's a good question. All right. So let's do it. Exercise one, listen to an extract from a radio show and answer it. So we're gonna read three times. One very slow, the second time very normal. I mean normally, and the third is gonna be the same. Okay, so let's do it. So this is conversation between announcer, mom is mother, and Tanya and dad. Okay, this is like a conversation between mother and father and Tanya. Tanya is someone that I want you to understand. So let's go very slow. So announcer, thanks for turning into a Star Trips, the most popular comedy show on the radio. In tonight's episode, Tanya and the other astronauts leave for the moon. Mom, okay, now, do you have everything? Tanya, yes, Mom. Don't worry, Dad. Here are some sandwiches for the trip, just in case. Tanya, you know we can't take anything with us. It's not allowed. And anyway, there's more than enough food on the shuttle. That okay. But remember, you must send us some pictures. Tanya, of course. I'll send some pictures to you. We are going to live online for the entire journey. That. And remember, you had to take your vitamins every morning. Tanya, don't worry, I will. Mom, and don't go out any space walk without telling somebody where you are and where you going. Tanya, come on, come on. I am a scientist, not a little girl. Mom, yes, dear, but We don't want you accidentally floating off into a space. Now, then, give us a goodbye kiss. That too grown up for a kiss, I suppose. Well, just remember to bring us back something nice. Tanya, of course, I'll bring some moon dust for you. Moon dust? Oh no, I'm bring us dust. What do we need? What do we need dust for? Now bring us a nice green moon rock. Tanya, what? One that we can put in front of the door. Tanya, Dad, you know I can't do that. Mom, now there is a good girl. Tanya, but Mom, Dad, now but you run alone now. You'll miss your rocket. It's about to flash off without you. So this is very slow. Now let's go very quickly, okay? And then you can answer here, okay? You need to answer this and this. All right, let's go. This listening is this number two. It's quickly. It's faster, okay? One, two, three. Announcer. Thanks for turning into the Star Trips, the most popular comedy on the radio. In tonight's episode, Tanya and the other astronauts leave for the moon. Mom, okay, now do you have everything? Tanya, yes, Mom, don't worry. Dad, here are some sandwich for the trip, just in case. Tanya, you know we can't take anything with us. It's not allowed. And anyway, there's no more food on the shuttle. Shuttle. That okay, but remember, you must send up some pictures. Tanya, of course, I'll send some pictures to you. We're going to leave online for the entire journey. That, and remember, you have to take your vitamins every day. Tanya, don't worry, I will. Mom, and don't go out on any space walk without telling somebody that where you are going to. Mom and Tanya, come on, I am a scientist, not a little girl. Mom, yes, dear, but we don't want you accidentally floating off into the space. Now we give us a goodbye kiss. Tanya, I can't give you a kiss. I got my space suit on. The helmet's sealed, and I can't take it off just for a kiss. Dad, to grow up for a kiss, I suppose, we'll just remember to bring us back something nice. Tanya, of course, I will bring some dust. Of course, I will bring some dust for you. Mom, dust? Oh no, don't bring us dust. What do we need dust for? Now bring us nice big moon rock. What? Tanya, what? That. One that we can put in the front of the yard. Tanya, that. You know, I can't do that. Mom, now, there is a good girl. Tanya, but mom, no, boss. You run alone now. You will miss your rocket. It's about flash off without you. All right, so that is the end. So you listen this and then you answer exercise one and exercise two. Remember, this is concentrate. This is good. Okay, and I hope so you understood. Remember, later you're gonna take the evidence, so that's why you need to complete this, and that's why you need to do this because you have to answer later. I am going to check it out this, and I'm going to give you a score.